going to show you how to onboard new members to your member community. We're going to be using Gumroad as the membership platform, Zapier to connect all the pieces, Convertkit for our email automations, and Circle as our community forum, which is like the membership where people will be hanging out. So you go to Zapier and then go to Gumroad. You connect a sale. That's the trigger event that we want to happen. Connect your accounts, and then you choose your product. So you should have had a membership product set up already. If you haven't, you can check out our other tutorial on that. Test your trigger. There's a sale from me earlier. Connect it up. So then after the sale triggers this automation, we can do it. You can either have Convertkit as this step or the next step. Doesn't really matter. So we'll connect Circle. We'll invite a new member. Just connect all your accounts up. Their email will be the email through the sale. Password leave blank. Name. If you connected that at the start, you can do that. Decide which community you are. Obviously, I'm a member of a few of them. And then these are custom fields that I've added into Circle previously, but you can add them to spaces within Circle directly, or you can add them to the space groups. So if it's a basic plan, you just want to add them to a basic group. If they're a premium, and there's a premium group. And similarly with member tags, you can add them as a pro member if they're a pro member. So that's how we are going to set it up. We're going to skip the test for now because I already have these emails. Then we're going to add Convertkit. We're going to add this person, add a tag to this user. Connect your accounts. You can create a tag again, basic member, pro member. So we've got a bunch in here, which I'm going to just call it MakePad Pro. The email, again, will be this. Email from the sale. Again, these are just custom fields we have. Connect that up. Skip the test again for here. And that is your automation. That's basically it. A sale happens in Gumroad or wherever you're having your memberships. You invite them into Circle and then you add a tag to them in Convertkit. So you turn this app on, but then what you want to do is when you have this invite member in Circle, if you go to your Circle settings and in onboarding, is circle.so is the URL. Go to when you've set up your Circle account, you go to our onboarding and you can customize the invitation emails. Hey, first name, so-and-so's inviting you, accept the invitation now. You can turn these off if you don't want to customize them. This is another one if you already have a Circle account, because there's a few communities you can join. And then also you can have an onboarding pop-up, which we have here, to say, if I'm part of the community, this is how to navigate around the forum, where the channels are, how to do certain things, just as a good experience for people signing up. So that's an easy way to set up some of those things. You can send an onboarding email as well after they signed up if you want to. And then with Convertkit, obviously you have to set up your account, and then you want to have an automation. So you go to their automations, create a new one. So when a person is added to the MakePad Pro tag, which is obviously the tag we added in this step here, when they're added to that, you want to add them to a email sequence. So we have an email sequence set up, and we can just do it this way. The sequences can be found here. So if there's MakePad Pro, you can basically set up a few emails to go out immediately, a day after that. These are all drafts, things we've done in the past. But that's how you can look at setting up onboarding invitations through Circle, adding a tag to someone in Convertkit, and then you have them go through that email sequence as part of the community.